airport now.
Yes, taking a flight to
Taipei, Taiwan.
Taiwan. The plane behind us is a China Airlines Airbus A321 model. We are flying to Taipei. The flight is going to take 4.5 hours. China Airlines is national state flag carrier of the Republic of China, the other one being EVA Airlines. We are really excited to get on board this flight.
Through my hair, no, I get a little scared, cause you know you're my type. I used to play it kinda cool, now I don't know what to do.
This is a quick glimpse of the business class on China Airlines. It's in a 2 seats configuration, and I didn't take much footage of it because there were passengers occupying the seats. Going to our seats now. 62B, so it's window and middle seats. 3 seats here, 3 seats here. So it's 3-3 configuration. It looks like a full flight. Let's do a seat tour later.
It's a mask flight.
The in-flight entertainment touchscreen is relatively new and has a decent selection of movies to choose from. Because the flight from Singapore to Taipei and from Taipei back to Singapore is 4.5 hours, I managed to watch one movie on a flight to Taipei and another movie on a flight back. What's new is that you can also connect your wireless Bluetooth earphones or AirPods instead of using the earphones provided by the airlines. The connecting process took less than 5 seconds. The tray table is quite small but sufficient.
来，2位的靠枕哦，谢谢。
We got pillows from the stewardess. These are the wired earphones provided by China Airlines. It comes with an adapter to allow you to plug the earphones to the outlet on the screen in front of you. I was surprised that these earphones and the adapter were not collected back by the stewardess at the end of the flight. So I guess you can bring them home if you wish to. There is also a charging USB outlet next to the audio outlet. I used it to charge my phone, which, as you can tell, is in a pretty bad shape after a couple of drops onto the floor. The charging speed is pretty decent. Blankets will be given out to passengers upon request. We asked for one on our return flight just to see what the blanket looks like and feels like.
It's fairly thick. The material is cotton. And cover quite comfortably.
Mr. P quite enjoyed his blanket and used it throughout the entire flight back to Singapore. In terms of leg space, for context, I'm 168 cm and quite average in build. When slouching down into the seat, my knees will definitely bump rather uncomfortably against the seat in front of me. Therefore, I had to remind myself to sit upright in my seat so that my knees do not push against the back of the chair in front of me. You could adjust the left and right flaps on the headrest to make yourself more comfortable. You may also notice that the luggage cabin space above the seats are quite limited. These luggage spaces are stuffed with the airline's stock of clean blankets and pillows which were yet to be given away. I will rate the food quality and taste about 3.5 out of 5 stars. Next, we have the toilet tour. There is a paper cups dispenser, hot and cold water tap, which is non-drinkable water, soap, hand and body moisturizer, even a changing table for parents with young children, tissues, toilet seat covers, and the help button for the crew. Overall, the toilet is pretty small.
Hello.
How do you feel about the flight just now?
Food was okay, movie selection was okay, the leg space no, very hot, so I think I'll give 3.5 stars.
3.5, quite high, at least pass. It wasn't very comfortable, I didn't manage to sleep.
I don't know, I will use the return flight as a determining factor.
On the flight back to Singapore, we were really fortunate to not have anyone seated in the same 3-seat row as us. The flight was as a result slightly more comfortable. Okay, so that's all I have for this video, and I just wanted to say thank you to all of you for being patient and waiting for my uploads. I know that it has been quite irregular because of my busy work schedule. I promise to upload more regularly. There'll be a few more travel videos upcoming. Subscribe if you haven't, and drop me a like and a comment in the section down below, and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye! My bags are back. I want to bed
Very nice.
But if good things take time, how long till I get you? Yeah, yeah.